This video is to show reasons why contractors use the Trimble AutoBid Mechanical software. One of the reasons why they use it include more accurate bids because of the connected digital takeoff within the software. When a contractor pulls in a PDF or a TIFF file or a JPEG, they'll simply identify the scale, identify the system they'll be working in, identify the size of the pipe they require, and they can right-click and just choose to start a new run of pipe. Then they will click from point to point along the run of pipe, and as they're doing this, all the quantities of pipe are automatically being entered into the software. As you can see, it's in the audit trail. No importing or exporting is required. Secondly, you can speed up the takeoff because of the auto-fitting generation capabilities that are within the software. As you can see, it's automatically picked up the 90s as I took off that run of pipe. Any 90s or 45s will automatically be generated, but when you branch off of an existing run, simply identify the size you're working within. It's also going to automatically pick up the T or whatever the fitting is that is required there. Notice down in the audit trail it gave me a reducing T, but the other important thing is that it is a spec-driven software, which means it's going to look at the spec, and if there was really a threadlet or a weldlet that was required, it's going to automatically give you the appropriate fitting. Another reason to use the software is it is easy to do value engineering because of the integrated design spec takeoff that is built within the software. Using what I've already taken off, I can use a box in tool to box in an area on the plan, and I can identify that I wish to see some detail about what has been taken off. It will quickly give you a material list. It is telling you what the material cost and labor is associated with that area of the job. If I wanted to use a different spec, I can choose what we call a profile. In this case, instead of butt weld, I want to see grooved, and quickly it's going to bring up and show me the material list if I used grooved, and you'll notice that the price has gone up about $2,000 with the grooved, but at the same time you're saving about 20 so hours of labor associated with it. It is used for those what-if scenarios to quickly identify what makes the most sense for this job. With the AutoBid software, it also allows for flexible reporting to help provide quick, detailed material lists for the project. These detailed material lists will give you the material category, the sizes, the quantities, the material pricing, as well as the labor associated. These reports can also be used to break the job up by area, by system, by floor, or whatever detail you might require. Also, the software has a customizable bid summary capability. These reports can increase your accuracy by making sure you don't miss anything on a project. The bid summary, or rapid report as we call it, pulls in the total material and total labor on the project. Along the bottom, the tabs are basically your checklist, allowing you to make sure that you're not forgetting anything on the job, whether it be any general administrative costs associated with the project, the subcontract pricing that you may have received, as well as equipment pricing, fixtures. You're able to create a crew mix to give you an average hourly rate. And again, all of these numbers are being pulled back here into the summary. You're able to apply taxes and overhead appropriately within the report, as well as make sure that you've got your markup, contingencies, as well as bonding, getting you to that final price that you require for the project. A couple other important facts about the Trimble AutoBid Mechanical software is that you can easily update pricing on a regular basis using the Trimble Trade Service pricing service. This allows you on a regular basis to have your pricing within the software updated automatically. Secondly, we provide professional implementation, training, and support to make sure that you are successful with the AutoBid Mechanical software.
To request a demo or learn more about Trimble MEP products, visit us at mep.trimble.com or find the right link for you in the description. Thanks for watching.